The 1963 Buick Riviera stands as a masterpiece of American automotive design, combining elegance, innovation, and performance in a package that remains iconic decades later. With its crisp, clean lines, concealed headlights, and a low, wide stance, the Riviera exudes sophistication. Designed to compete with luxury coupes like the Ford Thunderbird, the Riviera's knife-edged styling, courtesy of GM's Bill Mitchell, gave it a timeless allure that was both sporty and luxurious. Its restrained chrome accents and intricate grille design showcased a departure from the over-the-top styling of the 1950s, signaling a new era for Buick. Under the hood, the Riviera came equipped with a standard 401 cubic inch nailhead V8 engine producing 325 horsepower, ensuring impressive performance for its time. For those desiring even more power, Buick offered an optional 425 cubic inch V8 engine, known as the Wildcat 465, named for its massive torque rating of 465 lb-ft. Both engines were paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission, delivering effortless acceleration and a top-tier cruising experience. The Riviera struck a perfect balance between comfort and performance, making it equally suited for spirited drives or long highway journeys. Step inside the Riviera, and you're greeted by a cabin that epitomizes luxury. The interior features a wraparound cockpit design, with bucket seats and a center console that gave it a sporty, driver-focused feel. High-quality materials such as real wood veneer, plush carpeting, and rich leather upholstery elevated the interior to a level of refinement typically reserved for higher-priced luxury cars. The Riviera also boasted advanced features for its time, including power windows, air conditioning, and an optional AM/FM radio, ensuring drivers and passengers traveled in comfort and style. On the road, the Riviera's advanced suspension system provided a smooth, composed ride. With its power steering and a well-tuned chassis, the car handled with precision, offering a driving experience that felt modern and agile compared to its competitors. The Riviera's road manners were complemented by its quiet cabin, a testament to Buick's commitment to luxury. Despite its size, the Riviera was surprisingly nimble, making it a pleasure to drive in both urban and open road settings. Safety was also a priority for the 1963 Riviera, with standard features like a padded dashboard, dual-speed windshield wipers, and an optional tilt steering wheel. The Riviera's sturdy construction and predictable handling added to its reputation as a safe and reliable luxury coupe. However, it's worth noting that advanced safety technologies, such as disc brakes, were not yet available in this model year, something later versions would address. While the Riviera was celebrated for its style and performance, it wasn't without drawbacks. The rear seating area, while comfortable, offered limited legroom for taller passengers.